Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Asteroid Fight Club and May 1st, which means hurricane season is only 1 month away. And I've got 2.5 days left in my THORnews May Day fundraiser. And I've only got $1,739 left to raise. Every dollar helps, and I'm probably definitely going to need some miracles. You can contribute through my snail mail, my PayPal, my Venmo, my CashApp, and my Patron, and it would be greatly appreciated. All right, better pull out some super duper fancy tricks with this one. All right, yo, 2021 is fancy, dangerous, and definitely filled with surprises. So play defense, man. We got horses on the highway, banana people jogging, 2 comets, count them, 2 comets, C2020 R4 Atlas and C2020 T2 Palomar. We have another stormy and floody Texas morning, and definitely some areas are flooding. Some spots have already seen over 11 inches in South Texas, and rain will continue to fall today and tomorrow. We've got severe weather Sunday and Monday in this area, and then Monday and Tuesday, we've got severe weather in this area, plus a big coastal storm that is set to wallop the northeast. I don't even know what you want to call it, just a storm, a nor'easter, or hurricane, because there is a tiny bit of snow in there, right? See? So yeah, we got a lot going on, man. We got 2 sunspots rolling off the Earth-facing side today, and 2 more sunspots that should be rotating towards Earth in about 2 to 3 days that we should see. So definitely and absolutely buckle up, because it looks like the first week of May has a little bit of everything. And so, you've got the flooding storms coming through the south that will lead to severe weather Monday through Tuesday and parts of Sunday. And then in the weekend, you should have that big nor'easter looking or coastal storm thing. And then you got more snow pushing in through the Pacific Northwest. And the second week will probably be kind of crazy, and the third week and the fourth week. And then we will be officially into hurricane season. And since Texas got hit with a major storm in February and a major hailstorm a few days ago, I got a weird feeling Texas is probably going to get hit with a hurricane this year. I don't want to jinx it. Hopefully, the atmospheric defense team, Prayer Warriors, and Asteroid Fight Club can do a great job after last year's super crazy year. And last year was super crazy. And pretty much me and Cranky Weather Guy led you through it the entire time. I was there mostly 24/7. And Cranky has stepped down because, the whole weather shit is weird. My hackers have been coming at me the last few days. And, I will be here if you guys can take care of me. I will definitely take care of you and watch out for you. And then get ready for birds, buddy. I love birds. Your state gets 1 million birds, and your state gets 1 million birds. Every state gets 1 million birds. Birds migrate, man. And then tomorrow we got the moon passing right by Pluto. And I just do not like Pluto or Eris energy. No disrespect to those planets. So yeah, these are super crazy days indeed. And I have a theory. You're definitely going to feel a change in the middle of May when Jupiter goes from Aquarius to Pisces, and then Neptune is also in Pisces during that 2.5 months before it retrogrades back into Aquarius. I think we're going to see a pretty floody water will be a big issue, man. That is my theory. I'm sticking with it. We'll see what happens. But if you get some Jedi intuition that you and your family should get flooding insurance, remember, it takes a month for that to kick in. So I'm just putting that out there. Now we're looking at our coastal storm on May 6th, which would be a Thursday. It starts up, it gathers, builds strength down south, gets kind of nasty, and then punches up into the northeast. And I want you to look at that. Look how crazy that is. Just a circle of ice and snow in the middle of that storm. And then it punches up through the majority of the northeast. So yeah, that is going to be one to watch as models consistently show it doing something that would probably be a lot of problems for a lot of people. Giedi Kralovic letting us know Earth is approaching a stream of debris from Halley's Comet, source of the annual Eta Aquarid meteor shower. Forecasters expect the shower to peak on May 5th with 10 to 20 meteors per hour. No matter where you live, the best time to look is during the hours before local sunrise. Greg Diamond letting us know you had a decent, impressive wind event across mid-Atlantic states yesterday, with some seeing as high as 66 mile per hour wind gusts. You got impressive solar halos in China. The 555 earthquakes that popped off the coast of Oregon the other day sent out a pretty impressive shockwave. And remember, by my calculations, with all the gas giants being on the same side, we are going to be on the lookout for more earthquake and volcano activity all the way through 2021, buddy. So definitely get ready. These are very strange days indeed. Uno, dos, and do we get a tres? Okay, paint it in there with your mind. The coronavirus situation in India, which has 1 billion population, is super bad, and it's just getting worse, man. So it's like metaphorical, choppy waters all around. We got volcanic activity out of the Pitondela Fornaise. I don't even know where that is. I should look it up. You got more satellites on satellites on satellites, as they've been launching satellites like crazy from multiple sources. We're still tracking, as Poppy Northcutt says, the huge rocket looks set for uncontrolled re-entry following Chinese space station launch. The core stage is likely to make an uncontrolled re-entry over the next few days or week, making it one of the largest instances of an uncontrolled re-entry of a spacecraft. Scientists are saying ash from volcanoes can be more dangerous than the lava. And that's kind of semantics, and it's relative. So I guess it's the theory of relativity. All right. I am your planetary defense commander, Star-Lord New Thor 7 the T. I survive and thrive off your contributions and donations. Y'all technically pay my salary, so I can continue to bring you the news like I do. So if you would like to make a contribution, I have a snail mail, PayPal, Venmo, CashApp, Patreon. You probably knew all that. It'll be in the information box. I only have $1,739 left to raise, with 2.5 days left to go. I know I'll probably add an extra day on there. But thank you very much to Mona, Ann, Jason, Andrea, James, Margaret, and everybody in Asteroid Fight Club, and anyone who has ever supported me or watched or just been cool or ever been funny or creative and inspirational or kind. You know, I don't know, somehow it usually always works out, because I like guard over y'all, and hopefully y'all will guard over me. Go guard. This evening, 2ND Guard Black Hawk helicopter supported U.S. Forest Service Dakota Prairie grasslands fighting a wildfire north of Winnebago campsite, western North Dakota. Helos placed 26 buckets times 550 gallons for a total of a lot of water. And it's going to be a pretty nasty fire season, and fire season is here. So I will pray for miracles for India, for Earth, and for myself. Because I am an optimist, but definitely things are crazy, man. And they're probably just going to get crazier. So God bless everyone, and stay cool. And have a great weekend.